If someone tries to kill us, we can fight back. But these birds cannot. In a village called Shivadaspura near Jaipur in India, I met Kishan Meena,
I am Kishan Meena.
who has been fighting to save birds and nature. Kishan ji is a peace-loving photographer who has been telling the story of nature by capturing the 5 elements.
ये जो विशाल ब्रह्मांड का रूप आप देख रहे हैं, ये सब पंच तत्व की माया है। आकाश, वायु, अग्नि, जल, पृथ्वी।
His favorite places to shoot are the 2 village ponds, Chandlai and Barkhera. They attract hundreds of migratory birds from all over the world. One day at the pond, he saw some bird poachers killing the birds. No one did anything, but he decided to stop them. He sought police help, tried to educate the villagers, and even fought the poachers. Finally, after a long fight, he managed to stop the poachers. Today, he has captured 297 unique species of birds with his camera, which is the highest number of bird spotting by any individual from a single location. When he's not busy shooting birds with his camera, you can find him at a forest conservation seminar or bringing children to these ponds and teaching them the importance of nature. This Robinhood of Birds is doing his bit to save the planet. Will you be the next one? I'll see you in my next story. Khushiyan always.